Hey, welcome back. How you're doing? Hope you're well. I was actually supposed to start this video a lot more positively and about just getting on with the van stuff and getting it ready to actually go travelling. And all the footage I recorded yesterday and the day before, I can't use any of it, so I've lost it all. Basically, we've switched to a Panasonic GH5 because I wanted to get better quality in the image stabilisation and stuff, and I wanted to move more into video and a bit more away from photography. The problem was I recorded it all in 4K. Really nice, like love the camera and stuff so far, but the issue is my laptop cannot handle editing 4K footage. I even tried downsampling it and stuff, still didn't work anyway, so I've lost all that footage basically. So yeah, that's a bit annoying, so I'm going to start the video again. But I'll show you what I actually got up to, because I did make a shoe rack for the van. I was actually going to try and make some more stuff and I just didn't get around to it basically. But I have made a shoe rack, so I'll show you that now. It's not the finished article, it's kind of just put together so we can use it. So actually when we hit the road, we have somewhere to put our shoes, because at the minute, they're just left like in the doorway of the van, which when you're getting in and out is just a nightmare if you try and move around the van and stuff. Yeah, it's not very fun at all, and they just get in the way, especially with Rocky, because obviously when you're trying to get him in and it's raining and you're trying to do his paws and stuff, it's not fun at all. Yeah, so we've kind of made this to kind of put at the door and just to do a purpose really. It's not really to look pretty or anything. So let me flip the camera around and I'll show you it. Alright, so this is what it actually looks like. I did have a nice B-roll of it and everything, but yeah, that's all gone. So this is just a crude little show you what I've done. Very basic, as you can see, nothing complicated about it at all, but it does serve its purpose. So at the minute, obviously, we've just got our slippers and stuff in there, but it just means when you come back, like, look, it looks a lot more tidier and you haven't got shoes like dotted about around here, which would just be a nightmare. So the plan is to actually paint that white eventually, but the idea was just to get it inside the van and get it mounted, like I said before, just to use it mainly, but also just to make sure it's sturdy enough, because I've put it together really crudely and it's just literally like a quick 10-minute job, just whacking some spare wood together we had left over from when we actually built the van, because we don't want to spend money on stuff like that. We kind of just want to get it done, make it usable, so when we hit the road we haven't just got mess everywhere basically. And that's kind of the jobs we've got left to do now on the van, is just little tidy up jobs, just to literally make it more comfortable when we're actually travelling, because obviously we don't know how long we've got left to travel now because of money and stuff, because we have wasted a hell of a lot being here on the farm because of lockdown and that lot, which is super annoying, because like we're supposed to go travelling for like probably 10 to 12 months, and because of lockdown we've actually been travelling for 2. So if we can get another month or 2, we'll be really happy, but yeah, we'll have to wait and see on that. We are going to go out for a walk now though, and I'm going to put the GH5 to the test with some cinematic B-roll hopefully, and we'll see how it goes. I just want to experiment and just see how creative I can get with it really, so hopefully you enjoy it. We're going to go out for a walk and take Rocky. Right, so yesterday we didn't actually go on the walk because we got rained out, as you've probably seen from the footage, and we didn't bother obviously going on it because we just got drenched. Today, however, it actually seems more promising because, as you can see on my face, the sun is out. It's the first time it's been out in a few days, so we're going to head back out and actually try and go out for a walk today, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it doesn't rain again and we actually get some nice light and it doesn't rain and it's just enjoyable. Yeah, so we're going to take Rocky out because he's going to love it, and just get out and get some fresh air and stuff, because obviously during lockdown we've just been stuck here on the farm, and as you all probably have experienced and know yourself, being in lockdown is just an absolute nightmare. So whenever we can, we do try and get out and go for a walk locally, so we're going to take advantage of this light and actually get out.
I just wanna take control now. I'm waiting for a different timeline. My body knows that I am faking. I'm standing on the edge of breaking. Maybe I move too fast, 'cause people just tend to pass. I'm giving you all of me. At least one is
Alright, so it's the next day now, and after we got back yesterday, we didn't actually do anything. I'm sat in the sunlight, which is probably not a good idea because I'm squinting like hell, but it's super nice. And even Rocky down there, he's loving it. Yeah, he's definitely an outside pooch. He's just been sat there literally since the sun's come out all day, and just been soaking it up. So he's going to love the summer. You can tell he was born in the summer as well. But yeah, so yesterday was actually really nice just to get out and actually go for a little wander when the actual sun was out. And obviously today we've been blessed with it as well. So we're just going to end the video here, I think. I don't think we're doing anything else really today. It's kind of going to be more of an admin day, sort this video out, get it uploaded and stuff. And then I'm going to finish off putting my website up, which is my photography website, nothing to do with this channel or anything. But yeah, so I'm going to get that all live and stuff, and then just sit and enjoy the sun, I think. So we're going to end the video here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.